Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Cardano ADA. So we talk about Cardano ADA quite a bit on this channel, so if you guys like Cardano or hold Cardano, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. As we get started, we do see a $42.8 billion market cap. This is a fairly low market cap for what Cardano is really trying to strive to be and what they're capable of doing in the future. So do remember, you're still in early on Cardano. I think there's a lot of growth yet coming in 2021 alone. So we are going to be doing price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So stick around for the end of the video. We will be doing conservative price predictions over Cardano. So if we go down to the bottom, I do want to talk about what Cardano is real quick. For those of you who don't know, Cardano ADA is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Development on the Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So this is the blockchain's native token. We continue to see Cardano push past a lot of what people thought was more of a stable coin. We thought it was going to stabilize at $1.20 forever, it seemed like. Finally, we're above that $1.30 mark. Still, we're above that $1.30 mark, and I think we will push back to our previous all-time high of that $1.56 mark. So let's talk about some of the most recent news real quick. Let's jump into some of these tweets. So IOHK announces deals with the governments of Ethiopia and Tanzania. So we continue to see more and more governments really taking advantage of what Cardano has to offer. When Forbes endorsed Charles for his amazing work at Cardano as the founder launches enterprise blockchain framework in collaboration with Ethiopian government. Everyone is a winner. Let's spread the news wide and far. So this is a big deal. Obviously, Forbes doing an article over what Charles has really accomplished is a massive, massive deal. As we move on a little bit farther, we see Cardano Africa was trending on Twitter April 29th, about 4:05 p.m. So if industry publications won't give Cardano the cover it deserves, we will make sure it is known worldwide. Send it. So more and more people are really starting to understand that Cardano is here to stay. A lot of people actually were able to take a look at Cardano and see what Cardano Africa was while it was trending. So more and more people are really starting to see what Cardano is, and it's starting to get really out there, and it's starting to get that real presence outside of the cryptoverse as well. So that's great to see. As we see, Ethiopian Education Minister confirms Cardano blockchain partnership. So this is a big deal, just really confirming, because we really haven't gotten confirmation from their government really quite yet. We just heard from Cardano's side. So Cardano builder IOHK said it is the beginning to develop the code and does not expect launch of the project before 2022. So it is a little bit out there yet. So do remember, you do have a long-term investment with ADA Cardano. So there is a long-term future. I think it's definitely worth investing in. As we move on to the next one, we see, I've said it before and I'll say it again, Cardano isn't just a blockchain, it's infrastructure for a new revolution. And I think that's pretty big, I guess pretty big tweet there, because it talks more about Cardano isn't just used for one thing. It's not used for just two things. It's an infrastructure that really does provide what it takes to really start a revolution as a whole, because Cardano is huge. It could really change the world. And that's their whole goal. If you go to their website, actually, on their front page, they say making the world work better for all. So Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. If you guys don't know much about Cardano as well, even if you do, let's just jump straight into that Cardano roadmap and let's talk about how much potential we still have left. We still have foundation and decentralization complete, but we still have smart contract scaling and governance still on the on the way. We continue to see so much growth potential from where we are now. We have 3 of the 5 roadmap start. I guess roadmap. What am I going to be looking for? I guess roadmap stops along the way. We still have smart contract scaling and governance, which is definitely going to help Cardano grow. I think we're going to continue to see that price really rise in value as we get through some of these Cardano roadmaps. But let's jump straight back to that price chart. So we are here to talk more about the price analysis and where we're going to see Cardano for May, June in 2021. If we take a look at the last week, we do see about a 16% increase. We even had crypto market dips, all the way down to $1.02. We saw a 99-cent dip before this as well. So we saw a lot of dips, and we saw Cardano really recover very, very quickly, all the way back to that $1.34, almost a 16% increase, like I said, in the last week alone. We take a look at the last month, we're still seeing a 12.41% increase, even with these market dips. That's pretty crazy to see, Cardano really doing this well with those dips. So I think, it's obvious that Cardano is here to stay. It's obvious that, the coin is a long-term focus, long-term future coin. But there's just so much what ifs about Cardano that a lot of people don't understand, that that provides so much more potential than what we already know. Cardano could easily take over things like Ethereum in the future if Cardano does what they're trying to accomplish. It really adapts. Mass adoption is definitely a possibility for something like Cardano because of what it's all, like I said, capable of doing. If you go to the actual website again, you can go to, I believe it's Enterprise, and it'll actually show you all the use cases. So if you guys don't know much about these use cases, you can read more into detail. But they talk about education, retail, agriculture, government, finance, and healthcare. So they really do have use cases in pretty much every aspect of life. And I think it's going to be a global change, like they say on their website. I think that's going to actually provide really that motivation to make global change as well. With Cardano is going to make, I don't know, it's one of those coins that it just makes a lot of sense. I think it's perfect for long-term holders, and I think we're going to see a bright future. So let's talk about those price predictions for May, June, and 2021. Now, without further ado, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto, as it is very volatile. I also want to say, guys, I am doing conservative price predictions. These aren't going to be hype price predictions where you're seeing 1,000, 5,000x every single video. These are going to be realistic price predictions where I can actually spot Cardano in the future and just really as honest as I can get them. So let's take a look at this last week. About a 16% increase, like I said, a very gradual increase, jumping close to $1.40. I do think we will make our way back to that previous all-time high in the month of May. I think $1.56 is something we should shoot for. I think we will be right around, in my opinion, about $1.60 to $1.80 by the end of May. Going into the end of June, I think we'll push closer to about a 225 price point. I'm hoping for a 225 to 250 on the price target for us as a price range that's really just viable and something that we could see. That would be almost a 2x at that point, and I think a lot of people would be happy with that kind of an increase because a lot of people are kind of bashing Cardano as a stable coin after that dollar we kind of reached back in, when was it that we popped over $1? It was about February, February 28th. We stabilized down here, and we were at that dollar area for quite some time. So a lot of people are starting to make fun of Cardano. I'll tell you right now, we are going to get the last laugh, unfortunately for them. Late 2022, late 2021, late 2023. It's going to be every year. We're going to have a good laugh because Cardano is one of those futuristic coins that really will make it, and I just have a lot of faith in it. So jumping into the end of 2021, where do we see Cardano pushing? Well, we could actually see it right around a $6 to $8 price range, in my opinion. I think it's a coin that definitely has what it takes to get over that $6 hump. We'll see if it gets all the way to $8, but I think 6 to 8 is a reasonable price prediction. It's something I can be kind of sure that it'll be close to it. So that's going to be my price prediction for 2021. If you guys would let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price prediction, as well as what coins you want me to take a look at next. I really do truly appreciate all the support. I will see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video.